Assalamualaikum and greeting to all. We are students from Program of Maritime Technology and Program of Naval Architecture, Faculty of Ocean Engineering and Informatics, University Malaysia Terengganu. Let us please introduce our team members as well. My name is Nur Nazifa. This is my team member Nurin Balkis, Aina Najwa, Nur Azmina, Nurul Ain, and last but not least is Soleha. In this prestigious event, Apprentice Innovation Research Exhibition 2022 that we call IREX 2022, we're going to present our innovative design project. And proudly to say, our project is an innovative design of catamaran fishing vessel. Why we conduct this innovative project? As you may know, the current fishing vessel boat that belongs to the fishermen has the shape that is already designed and built since 1956. Actually, this kind of boat has so many restrictions. First, the size of the boat too small that affects the fishermen could not sail to the deeper sea more than 5 or 6 nautical miles. Second, can seize the fish in a large quantity. Furthermore, this boat has limited number of fishermen, about 2 to 3 people only on board. Third, this typical monohull boat also still produces a high resistance, which leads to increase the fuel consumption. Fourth, since the boat's material is made from the wood, this will raise an environmental issue and sufficiently increase the gas emission due to cutting of the trees as the natural carbon dioxide absorption. So, to resolve this kind of problems, we propose the innovative solution through designing an innovative design of catamaran fishing vessel. Basically, this innovative ship design can enhance the prosperity of the artisanal fishermen. Our innovative design of catamaran fishing vessel will offer more advantages beyond the existing boat. Geometrically, catamaran composed of 2 demi-hull form. Inherently, these have better transverse stability performance, about 4 to 5 times better than monohull. In addition, our design boat also can go for sailing up to 12 nautical miles and indirectly gives a benefit to fishermen to catch a more quantity of the fish. Then, to reduce the total resistance as common problem of the boat design, we have resolved this by means of optimization modeling for our innovative catamaran hull form, which be detailed explained in the methodology part. Meanwhile, our innovative catamaran design is made from the fiberglass material. This means our boat will be more cheaper, durable, less maintenance of cost, and environmentally friendly. For more details regarding of an objective, methodology, advantages, and also commercial potential, my team members will clearly explain about it.
Thank you, Ms. Nazifa. Hello everyone, I'm Nurin Balkis. So regarding to the introduction just now, I am very sure that you are already understand for what are we going to do. Now, I'm clearly going to highlight the objective of our innovation project. The first objective is actually we would like to reduce the total ship resistance with respect to the several parametric. Why we should reduce the total ship resistance? As you can see, the existing catamaran hull forms are still produce a higher total ship resistance that is proportional to the fuel consumption. As we know, about 70% of operation cost expense come from the fuel consumption. Simply, if we can reduce the total ship resistance, the operational cost can be significantly reduced. How to do it? This will be explained in the methodology. Next, the second objective of this innovative project is to build up a full-scale catamaran dimension of 50 meters length. I am proudly to say that we have been currently constructing the catamaran fishing vessel, which is fully funded by Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation. Merely, we hope that once these two objectives are achieved, it will provide significant impact not only to the prosperity of the traditional fishermen, but also to the environmental conservation. Why I say so? Because our catamaran fishing vessel has appropriately adopted green technology, as will be further explained by our team members. To know more about the methodology, Miss Aina will explain more.
Hello, my name is Aina Najwa Sakina binti Zaidi, and thank you to Ms. Nurin for a great explanation about the objective. Dear all judges, do you know how we achieve our first objective? As Ms. Nurin said, to reduce ship total resistance. To achieve the objective, we need a proper methodology. Here, I would like to explain the methodology with regard to first and second objective, respectively. For our first objective, we will conduct the CFD simulation to predict the total resistance of existing design. What is CFD? CFD stands for Computational Fluid Dynamics, which use numerical to analyze and solve problems that involve fluid flows. Second step, we conduct the 3D hull form modeling optimization using cases. In this optimization modeling, we apply SOBOL, T-search, and in final stage, we use non-sorted genetic algorithm version 2 that has been set up the population up to 204 generation. It's set up to 20 to obtain the most optimum result. Once we have conducted the optimization modeling, the candidate of the hull form will be further evaluated in CFD approach. Finally, we will compare the total resistance between the existing and the optimum one. If we have proven the result of the getting the less resistance from the existing one, we stop the optimization process. So here, we would like to show you an animation for the final design. Dear all judges, for our second objective, we have designed the full-scale model of the vessel. Based on the full-scale model design, then we produce more detailed drawing of the vessel. Then, we conduct several analyses, which is resistance analysis, stability analysis, and seakeeping analysis. This project cost almost 3.2 million ringgit Malaysia.
Thanks, Ms. Aina. Hi everyone, my name is Nuraan. I'm here would like to explain to you regarding the advantages of our catamaran fishing vessel. Referring to the objective that Ms. Nurin highlighted earlier, one of our objectives is to find the optimum design of the hull form. We choose catamaran as our fishing vessel because it has better transverse ability than the monohulls. The twin hulls of the catamaran fishing vessel will have balance sheet rotation, meaning to say that this catamaran is able to restrain the rolling motion during operation. Another advantage of our catamaran fishing vessel is larger deck spacing area. Based on statistical analysis, the deck area of the catamaran actually about 20 to 40% more compared to the monohull deck area. With this wide spacing area, it is not only capable of boarding more crew, the fishermen also will be able to catch more fishes compared to the monohull ship. Furthermore, with the large space, catamaran offer more comfortability to the passengers on board, where they can spend more time at the sea without having to worry about the seasickness. Referring to the objective that Ms. Nuri explained, our catamaran fishing vessels are also equipped with solar panel as its source of electrical power for activities on board of the ship. So, we proudly stated that our ship is naturally friendly since it reduces the emission of carbon and eliminates sound pollution. This means that the passengers will not experience any loud sounds of engine as they said. To highlight more advantages, I will pass it to Ms. Azmina.
Thank you, Ain, for the explanation. Hi, my name is Nur Azmina and I will continue the advantage of catamaran fishing vessel. In our catamaran fishing vessel design, the enormous area below the deck provide a comfortable allocated cabin for fishermen to rest and sleep during their sailing journey. The more convenient point in our design is we also provide a specific area for Muslim to have a decent space to pray, making our catamaran fishing vessel Muslim friendly. Other than that, our design also included the latest model of fishing gear which allow fishermen to catch only matured fish. This method reduces exploitation pattern among fishermen and promote sustainable fishing. Complement to that, our fishing vessel also installed an eco sounder system which is fish finder device. How does this help fishermen? The answer is the eco sounder function to transmit a sound pulse into the water, and when it hits something solid as vegetation, fish or other object in the water, the signal is reflected back to the surface. This measurement help fishermen to have information about the object inside the water. Thus, it is easier for them to find the location of various fish schools within the range. Other advantage are its capability to travel a long journey with a deeper sea condition. This advantage help fishermen to catch various species of fish in one operation to supply market's demands.
Thank you, Ms. Azmina, for the explanation. The explanation by Ms. Aina and Ms. Azmina just now regarding the advantages of catamaran actually will impress not only me but the market itself. Simply put, this innovation was deemed potentially marketable. I'm Saleha and here I would like to explain regarding the commercial potential of this innovation project. How marketable this innovation project? I think this is a basic question arises in our mind. To answer this, first, we see from the material of the innovation catamaran fishing vessel, which is made from the fiberglass. For the first production, this innovation was constructed with plug and mold. As you may know, this mold can produce many boats, while compared to the steel, the price is higher and it needs to be constructed from the beginning. Whereas for the second and so on construction for the fiberglass, it can be constructed using the mold. That's why the production cost can be significantly reduced. As a result, this will impressively attract the investor. Next is, this innovation is very suitable for fishermen as there is largest storage compartment to store the fish. The storage compartment is using refrigerated seawater RSW system. It is used to preserve lost catches in an effective and cost-saving method. This system will cool down the catches close to the freezing point of seawater in minimum amount of time, assuring its freshness and quality during transport. This kind of equipment is also potentially marketable. The next commercial potential is that this innovation can go as far as 12 nautical marks and can survive at the sea up to 1 week, which is further and longer than traditional fishing vessel. To ensure the safety of fishermen, it is equipped with a radar. This radar can ease the fishermen to navigate through the sea and to avoid collision. This kind of features leading to more safety of navigation, which can be the selling point of the fishing vessel once this has been fully constructed. Thank you.
Referring to the clearly explanation about problem statement, objectives, methodology, and commercial potential of this innovative catamaran fishing vessel, I will conclude that our innovative project of the catamaran fishing vessel is unique compared to the existing one, environmental friendly, potentially marketable, which finally enhance fishermen prosperity. That's all. Thank you.